Hi guys, welcome back with me, Lord Chow Chow 2025 in Let's Learning Excel. This time we're going to learn about SUMIF, COUNTIF, AVERAGEIFS, MAXIFS, and MINIFS. It's almost the same. The function is like this, but it has a condition on it. So, for example, SUMIF. This is sum all the leadership, but how about if I want to sum all of hand only? So first I use SUMIF. I use select the range that I have the condition is, and this time is fraction. So and then put the criteria on, and then the sum range. So the one that I'm going to sum. See, and it has to be exact. And yeah, I forgot to lock it. And I could also use not hand writing here, hand, but use this field. It works like wonder. And what about some ifs? Some ifs mean that you have more than one condition. So if you have only hand, this time we want few woo and fame, so we use this some ifs sum range first. Remember, it's a kind of different. Sum if first, then you count first condition, you block the first condition, that is, for example, still it's woo. I'm going to write here. And then the second condition, doctrine, I want fame. And then block it, and this is the formula. The sum range is the one you want to sum. This is the first condition. Range, this is the condition. This is the second condition. And this is this. Okay, this is the second condition. Range, this is the condition. And you could on and on, You could put more if you want to. Next count if is the same thing. This time we count the range and the criteria. Not faction, yeah, faction and criteria. COUNTIF also work like that. So COUNTIFs, criteria range, example, we're going to choose woo, and second range we're going to use fame. Did I mess up? Criteria, range 2, criteria. I'm not messing up. Okay, you need to have the same range. So B2991, yeah. You could actually move a little here and it's still working, but still gonna work. But it's gonna mess you up, so be careful about this. As long as it has the same range. So don't worry about it. Average if it's the same thing to average. Just this time you need like some range, the point where you want to average. So yeah, so the range on, and then which you want to average. Average if work like summary. So gonna copy paste here. Should lock this. It's work like the same thing. So we're going to change this to average ifs. Get average woo and fame. MAXIFS and MINIFS also work the same. Let's see, MAXIFS. Use else. MAXIF. This works like average if. So yeah, that's the script. It just simply change the word. Okay. Anyway, guys, I think that's it for today's video. Hope it helped. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. And see you again on the next episode. Have a nice day.